Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo, what is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This video today is going to be showing you how to get free gold in UG. You can get 20,000 free golden nugs using a working UG VR code. And I'm going to be running through the steps showing you how to get this code. And then you can go ahead and redeem it in-game, and that's going to get you free gold. So before I show you guys how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be doing more tutorials for UG VR. And yeah, this is going to get you free gold. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. And yeah, just spend a few minutes with me. So as you can see, guys, golden nugs are pretty expensive. So this code is pretty damn desirable. You need to use your mobile phone. You probably play, obviously, on your VR headset, but to get your code, use your mobile and then enter it in-game. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So head on over to this website on your mobile internet browser. And Cold Coupons is basically a codes website. I've used these previously for other VR games, such as Animal Company and Yeeps, Hide and Seek, but they actually do have a UG VR codes page. I've been playing this game recently and I discovered this page and it saved me a bunch of money. So as you can see, guys, there are a couple of working promo codes for UG VR. So go ahead and scroll down, and this is the free gold code, guys. This is a UG VR 20,000 free gold nugs. And this is going to save you a bunch of money. As I showed you, they're not cheap if you used to purchase them. And guys, I spent a long time trying methods, and trust me when I say this is the fastest and easiest method, because it does just use a promo code or a combination code that you enter in-game. So as you can see, you need to unlock your personal code. So this is going to tell you the exact code to enter in-game, and this is going to supply you with your free gold. So these are limited codes. It does limit 20,000 gold per person. So you need to unlock your code. So click on that button and follow the instructions on the screen here, guys. It only takes about 5 minutes and it is well worth it. So it says complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to unlock your code. Now, as you can see, there is a list of tasks on this page. These sponsor Cold Coupons, that's how they can supply us these free gold codes. As you can see, these tasks are all completely free and they only take a few minutes. Which is very important you do follow the instructions for each one. So as an example, this one, Opera GX, download the app and install it, then run the app for 30 seconds. So you would tap on it, it will take you to the App Store where you just grab that app and you have to run it. So really easy, guys. Just complete a couple of these, and once you do that, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your UG VR free gold coupon code will now be revealed. You can enter it in-game, and that is how to get free gold in UG. So that is it, guys. Really easy. It only takes a few minutes. Go to Cold Coupons. If you have any questions or need any help obtaining your free golden nuggets, let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.